Hi everyone, here we've got LG Wing, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and now all we have to do is simply take a look at this option bar. At the very end of it, we've got the timer option, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got actually 4 different options to choose from. So now the timer is off, and we can say because this icon is highlighted, but we can also choose 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. Simply tap on the option you'd like to use. As you can see, it is highlighted. We've got the timer for 10 seconds, so all we have to do is simply tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, the screen flashed, so it means that your device just took a photo. Let me check another option, so let's tap on the timer. As you can see, the 10 seconds is highlighted, so let me pick another option, for example 3 seconds. Just tap on it. As you can see, it immediately changes, so let's tap on the shutter button. And the same situation, but now it is counting down from 3. Now let me turn off the timer, so simply tap on this option and tap on this off icon. Now you can see that from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your LG Wing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.